The International Labour Organization believes there are almost 21 million victims of trafficking around the world. The UN's most recent report found almost half of the victims were forced to work, typically in factories, restaurants and building sites. The majority, 53%, were exploited in the sex industry. 12 countries reported trafficking for organ removal. The rest of the victims were forced into petty crime or begging, or were children thrown into armed conflict. Victims are often trafficked within their own country, but many are taken from poorer countries to more affluent places in Northern America, Europe and the Middle East. There are still very few convictions for human trafficking. Almost half the countries in the report successfully prosecuted fewer than 10 traffickers.